I decided I would make a small portable air conditioner for my dog Mishka. I used a 5-inch portable fan that runs by batteries and a 2-inch PVC pipe like this, and it's pretty easy to do. I started off with a blade like this to start cutting it out, and you just cut the holes for it to fit like this, and one like this. I just put the tape around it to secure it more, and then that's all there is to it, other than you can use a clamp for that. You just take the top off, set it aside, and add water or ice inside. I hope you enjoy. Many people say it's a redneck thing, but when your dog is outside and you love them, you really don't care if it's a redneck thing or not, as long as it's cool. It gets 110 degrees here, so I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching this video.